we have almost come to the end of the chapter, and today we are going to see certain facts about multiples and the divisibility test. Kids, divisibility test will be used in your further standards also. So kindly pay attention to it.
So shall we start with the topic? Yes? So first we will see facts about multiples. So let's have the first fact. It says that each number is a multiple of itself. कोई भी नंबर खुद का मल्टीपल होता है. And it is the first multiple of any number. And वो पहला मल्टीपल होगा. So let's take each number. कोई भी नंबर ले लेते हैं. Let's take 5. So 5, 1 multiplied by 5 will be 5. That is 5 is the multiple of 5. Each number is the multiple of itself. 5 खुद का multiple है. Yes, and it is the first multiple. Okay, because 5 का table 5 से ही शुरू होगा. Let's take other example. 1 multiplied by 52 will be 52. So 52 is the first multiple of 52. And each number 52 का multiple 52 होगा ही. Okay. Now let's check the second fact. That is, every number is a multiple of 1. Obvious है, कोई भी नंबर 1 का मल्टीपल होगा ही, because 1 के टेबल में तो सारे नंबर आते हैं. Yes, so let's take every number is the multiple of 1. सारे numbers 1 के मल्टीपल होंगे. Okay, now let's take the example. Because 1 multiplied by any number will be any number. 1 8s are 8, 1 10s are 10, 1 30s are 30. Yes, so सारे नंबर 1 के टेबल में आएंगे ही. That's the statement. Okay, now the other example, that is 1 multiplied by 45 it will give me 45. So I'll say every number that is 45 is the multiple of 1. And 1 multiplied by 1 is 1, 1 multiplied by 2 is 2, 1 multiplied by 3 is 3. Now you can see every number is a multiple of 1. Fine. The third fact is a multiple is a product of two numbers. Okay. जो multiple होता है वो product होता है. दो नंबर का प्रोडक्ट है ना, उसे मल्टीपल कहते हैं. That is 3 multiplied by 5 will be 15. Now as you remember from the multiplication chapter, I have taught you कि 3 is the multiplicand and 5 is the multiplier and 15 is the product. So product is the multiple of these two numbers, that is 3 and 5. This is what the statement is saying you. Okay, a multiple is product of two numbers. So यहाँ पे multiple क्या है? Multiple is 15. That is product. And this 15 is a multiple of these two numbers. 5 and 3 का multiple है. Okay. Now the second statement is the product is a multiple of each of these two numbers. हर एक का दो नंबर मतलब 3 and 5 each, खाली each लिखा हुआ है, बाकी the statement same ही है. The product is a multiple or the multiple is a product. Same ही हुआ ना? Yes. So 15 is a product and multiple also. And of each these two numbers. So I can say that 15 is a multiple of 3 and 5. दोनों के multiple है. Okay. And the last fact is there is no last multiple of a number. This I have already justified. As क्या बोला था मैम ने, याद है कि किसी भी नंबर का लास्ट मल्टीपल नहीं होता है, बिकॉज द मल्टीपल्स आर काउंटलेस, एंडलेस. ओके, सो बिकॉज द नंबर गोज ऑन 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 10 का टेबल है ये. ओके, 10 का टेबल आप कहाँ तक लिखोगे? 100 तक, 1000 तक, मिलियंस तक, बिलियंस तक, क्रोर्स तक. सो इट इज अनलिमिटेड. Fine. So there is no last multiple of a number. Okay. Now moving on to the next topic, that is divisibility test by 2. Kids, in your, as I said you before also, in your this topic, that is divisibility test topic, will be continued in your next standards also. आज खाली 2 का पढ़ना है. In your this standard it's only of 2. Then you will have of 3, then you will have of 5, then you will have of 7. Likewise you will have. Okay, and I have already taught you that the interesting facts about 2. याद है? We have seen in the video from factors का chapter wherein I have explained you that one is a neither a prime nor a composite वाला जो video है ना, उसमें I have explained you what is the interesting fact about the number 2. Do you remember that? Yes, I know you are my scholars. So it was that 2 is the smallest prime number. याद आया? Okay. And 2 is the only even prime number. सारे प्राइम नंबर्स में है ना, खाली 2 ही एक ऐसा नंबर है जो इवन है और वो सबसे छोटा भी प्राइम नंबर है. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस क्वालिटी आई कैन से दैट एवरी इवन नंबर का फैक्टर 2 होएगा ही. कोई भी इवन नंबर्स होगा ना, उसका 2 तो फैक्टर मिनिमम होगा, बाकी भी होंगे बट 2 तो होगा ही. एंड द सेम वेज it will have, see I have written even numbers, 2 will be one of the factors if it is an even number. Now let's brush up even number क्या होते हैं. The numbers that ends with 0. end मतलब आगे numbers है, see this dot dot lines, okay, आगे numbers है. The number that ends with either 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 are known as even numbers. So I can say that even numbers में 2 will be one of the factor. Fine. So let's have now, this is all we did in the previous video. Okay, I have just brushed up. Now let's see what's the test of divisibility. Is same only. See, now I have to find out if 94 is divisible by 2 or not. So I have told you कि जब भी even numbers होगा तो वो divisible by 2 होगा. अगर वो डिविजिबल बाय 2 होगा तो 2 का एक फैक्टर बनेगा. सो दैट्स इट. इवन नंबर्स 2 एक फैक्टर है तो वो डिविजिबल होगा. यस. सो एज दिस नंबर 94, ओके, दिस इज द इवन नंबर और ऑड नंबर. इट इज एंडिंग विथ 4. सो दिस इज एन इवन नंबर. सो हियर वी गो. इवन नंबर विल हैव 2 एज वन ऑफ द फैक्टर. अगर वो फैक्टर है तो वो डिविजिबल बाय 2 है. डिविजिबल मतलब रिमाइंडर 0 होगा. That's how you have it. Okay, so if you do, 94 is having 4 in the ones place, and if you do division 94 divided by 2, you will get remainder as 0. So ये बोल सकते हैं ना हम कि 94 is completely divisible by 2. So 94 is divisible by 2. So this is the trick, that is the test of divisibility. क्या टेस्ट करेंगे? इवन नंबर होगा तो वो डिविजिबल होगा 2 से. Okay, so let's have one example. That is, find out if 463 is divisible by 2. So 463, first you have to see that it is an even number or the odd number. क्या है वो? It is ending with 3. I told you that even number should end with either 0, 2, 6, 8. Yes. So it is not ending with either of the numbers, it is ending with 3. It is an odd number. Yes, so it will not be divisible by 2. So how I will write the answer as 463 is having 3 in ones place, which is not even number. It is an odd number, and so 463 is not divisible by 2. Okay. It's very easy, children. You just have to be alert to see that. Okay, and with this we have come to the end of the chapter, and we have completed the textbook part, that is the chapter number 6, and the chapter number 6 is multiples. In the next video we will see the workbook section. Okay, kids, I hope you are doing your exercise properly. In this chapter, though, we had only one exercise and that is completed. but all the chapters you should write your exercise neatly and clearly, and you should check with the solutions which are provided to you.